Ooh, it's hot and ready.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, where we make a little of any and everything, something out of nothing, all while measuring with nothing but love. Now, in today's video, what I'm going to be making for you all is a simple artichoke flatbread. Now, some of you maybe never had artichoke before, want to try it, and don't know what to do with it, then excellent. This video is for you. You might want to stick around and watch this. So the first thing I'm going to do is strain my artichoke, add a little extra virgin olive oil in there, some black pepper, some kosher salt, and of course some garlic paste, because garlic go in everything. I mean, what are you doing if you're not adding garlic? Absolutely nothing at all. Just kidding. The next thing we want to do is get our baking sheet and put our artichoke on there and pop these in the oven at about 375 degrees, and we want it to cook for about an hour. We want to cook these artichokes as long as we possibly can without actually burning them, because artichoke is a little bit stringy. The longer they cook, the less stringy they are. So the next thing I'm going to make is a herb marinade, and this marinade is going to go on the flatbread. And first I'm going to add some fresh garlic in there. Obviously, always some fresh garlic. Some fresh rosemary. I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. Hey, gave you my... Back up off me now, because your girl can sing now. Hold on now. Some black pepper, y'all. Some kosher salt. Can't forget to add the great value olive oil. Now, once all the ingredients are good in there, I'm gonna just go ahead and use this burr mixer. Now, listen now. I don't think this is really called the burr mixer. As a matter of fact, I have no idea how I came up with that name, but that's just what I call it. Really, it's just a handheld blender. So you want to blend this up as much as you can until it until it looks like this, I guess. So now that our herb marinade is good and ready, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our flatbreads. So I'm just gonna stick these on a tray, and we are going to put the herb marinade onto the flatbreads. And the flatbread, we're gonna pre-cook this flatbread at 375 for about I want to say anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes of baking at 375, this is what the flatbread now looks like.
Like, it's like a vegetable, an artichoke. You have to look it up. I can't explain it to you, but it's like artichoke, red onions. It's good. When you get in, you taste it, you're gonna be like, it's good.
So now I'm gonna take that same oven roasted artichoke and we're gonna put it in a blender with some Parmesan cheese, and we are going to gradually add the olive oil in there. Now, I do love my great value, but the only thing I'll say is because this is blended, it is separating. But don't worry, it's not too much oil. Just know that it's because the great value olive oil is a blend and it's not just straight extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to take our artichoke spread and cover the flatbread, the pre-cooked flatbread, excuse me. And pretty self-explanatory. The only thing that I recommend is to make sure that the coat is even, because we don't want the spread to be warm in certain spots while being cold in the other spots. Now I'm just going to add an even layer of mozzarella cheese. How much you want on there really just depends on your liking. You can add extra, you can add a little, you can add, don't add none at all because it's not the same without the cheese, but however much you want on there, just make sure it's an even layer. Now I'm going to add the diced red tomatoes, diced red onions, diced green olives, a little bit of cheddar cheese, and I'm going to pop that in the oven at 375, the top shelf, for approximately 10 minutes. Now we're not cooking it for a long time, obviously, because the artichoke spread and the flatbread itself is already cooked. We really just want our cheese to melt. That's it. Ooh, it's hot and ready. Ooh, baby. Listen, good, you hear me. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like it, if you made it. Otherwise, I'll see you next Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. sharp. Later.